Greetings one all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out. Alright, let's get this week's channel shout out over with. A little pre-mix. Let's see, make sure they're well mixed. Let's see, we have Michael Brunner. Sweet. Good dude. Haven't seen a video from you in a while, brother, but hope you're doing well. Let's get zoom in on your sticker here. So actually, it's, as I zoom in, so a sticker is right here next to Dominic Manischetti. Backpacking with Buckley, who I haven't seen in a while. Miss Allie Carroll. Actually, 3 stickers from Allie Carroll. BC Gerbs. Southern Patriot, aka Nikki St. Laurent. I haven't seen her in a while either. Cool. Well, there we go. Another great channel. I'm more than happy to do these channel shout outs every week for my brothers and sisters and channels that I watch. So all the information will be down in the description. Hopefully they work. If they don't, hopefully the end cards will work. You know, the video is usually short enough to do so. I don't know why that happens, but what are you gonna do? Anyway, there's that, and I also want to tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits clear to our veterans. Let's not forget also 22 a day, 22 of our veterans take their lives. Should be 0. And I'd also like to extend my appreciation to our first responders saving lives out there every day. Without you, many would be in a world of hurt. So again, I do thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.